Hello, my name is Trevor Moy and I'll be showing you how to use a few different simple commands within RStudio in the R programming language. As mentioned on my late wiki page, the top left window is essentially a text file where you can save and manipulate scripts, or in other words, text files of the R code. In the bottom left, in the console section, this will show the different what lines of code you have ran, as well as if they are successful or if they return an error. In the top right, in the environment or history, this will show you what variables you have ran and which ones have saved and have stored values, as well as data sets, lists, or any other variables that you have assigned values to. In the bottom right, you can see the packages that you have downloaded or uploaded within your platform itself. Each of these have different functions within the package itself that allow for have different usages. Like ggplot2, it allows for and it gives you a brief description and implementation of grammar and graphics, so it allows for different data visualizations. So now I'm going to walk through a couple of simple tasks and simple variable assignments and show you kind of the capabilities of what RStudio can do. So for instance, if we did x equals 5, ran that, and now on the right you can see in the environment that the value of x is equal to 5. If we did y equals 6, we ran that, you could see y is now equal to 6. And another cool thing is you can set formulas or equations equal to a specific value. So if we did z equals x plus y, z, when you run that, will now equal to 11. And another cool thing is down in the console prompt, or which looks like a command prompt, it can also serve as a calculator, or run lines of code one at a time without you saving them in your script. So if I wanted to do 5 plus 6, it will give us the answer. Or if we wanted to run x plus y, it still gives us the answer. And those are some of the cool, it allows you to essentially to test out some lines of code before saving it into a giant file, because later on you might want to run everything in a step-by-step procedure all at once, and you can run the entire your entire selection. So these are some of the simple things that you can do within R and RStudio as you progress in your knowledge of the program and different data analytical and statistical functions and formulas and approaches. The capabilities only expand on what this tool can do. It's very similar to Python and SAS and Stata in terms of the kind of data that you work with. It's just for me, having a data analytical background and strong interest into this area, I personally prefer RStudio just because it allows for, for me, I guess it's the easiest to use. And thank you, and this is my simple tutorial video.